Hello everyone, how are you all? How are you all doing amidst this pandemic situation? Yes, festival time is arriving and people are literally very excited. Pujo is finally here. One of the biggest festival in the city of joy, but yes, not to forget that COVID-19 is still very active. The second wave of COVID-19 has arrived. Community transmissions have started. So yes, enjoy the festival. I would always say because Durga Puja comes once in a year. So enjoy the festival, but don't become a part of an excessive crowd. Avoid that. Follow the necessary precautions because life should be always the first priority. Because festivals will be there every year, of course, but you can always, celebrate and enjoy the festival in a different way. Maybe this year I basically wanted to thank everybody, all my loved ones who have been a great support system during this toughest phase of our life. Now, we have been through many toughest phases of our life. This is one of them. But I have always been on the opposite side of the situation every time I have been on the hospital bed fighting for my life. This is probably the second time when I am watching one of my close person fighting for her life, staying in the hospital. It has been 12 days since I've met Ma. I can't even describe how terrible it feels like. Home doesn't feel like home without her. And in her absence, I actually realized that how she used to manage everything so smoothly without complaining once. She used to do every household work, and also she used to go to the bank or maybe for marketing, or maybe buying vegetables, fish, and everything. But she never, literally complained. She used to enjoy her work. So many people used to come to her house. She cooked all day long, but I never saw like she was very tired and complained that, oh my god, I can't do this and I can't do that. She was always like bearing a smile, wide smile on her face. And so yes, when Dadu, my grandfather, was in the hospital, that is one time when I went through this kind of attention. But it has been very tough days of mental stress, but thank you so much, because it is always, those people means a lot who stand by your side during your toughest times. Because during your happier times everybody will be by your side, but the people who stand by you, stand strong with you during your tough phases of life, are the people who are meant to be with you always. I believe that. So I received a lot of messages and wishes from people whom I did not even expect uh, would message me. So it means a lot. It literally shows that we have been able to make that kind of a place in the heart of so many people, that so many people were sending their good wishes. Uh, I try to understand what Baba went through, because if being Ma's daughter, we have been like so much stressed. I don't know what mental battle he has been fighting. But he has always been very silent and about expressing his feelings. He will never show that what he is going through. On 16th October, it was Didi's birthday. How beautifully he celebrated the birthday, bearing a smile on his face always. And I want to share one of my feelings with many people, lot of people, because you will not always get the same kind of reaction from every people. Some people will be there who will criticize you at some point in your life. Like we travel to Mumbai, so many people will ask us like, it because you travel to Mumbai, that is why your ma is suffering from this disease. Now the doctors can't even explain the pattern of the transmission of the infection. According to the doctors, Ma's doctors, the severity of Ma's ailment shows one thing, that she was carrying the infection maybe since a long time. Now, how she acquired that, it is very difficult to say. So we cannot like really say on based on our assumptions that it was because we went to Mumbai that is why this happened. So that is kind of an assumption. But of course, it is very unfortunate that Ma had to go through so much, and it is extremely kind of the kindness that the Almighty has showered on us, that Ma is out of danger, and finally she's coming back home tomorrow on 20th October. So I'm just waiting to see her, meet her, because I have been just watching her pictures so long, and just uh, have spoken to her through video chat. I'm longing to hug her, to meet her, to talk to her, to see her, and to say that, Mom, we are sorry that this happened to you. Maybe because we went to Mumbai. Maybe. I'm not sure. So I want to thank all of you who have been a support system. And I want to share one thing, that Ma Baba has been fighting this kind of battle since long. So I have learned one thing from Baba and Ma, both of them, that life has always been very harsh with us. I mean, everybody has their own battles. Everybody are fighting their own battle. It is not like we are only struggling or I am only struggling. I believe that everybody have their own sufferings, of course. Sufferings will be different depending upon individuals and your life and your luck. But of course, judging somebody during your tough times is not something which will be favorable. Of course, not. If you can be like a support system, that will be very kind of you. But if you are judging somebody that because you did this, that is why this happened, it creates a kind of mental stress. So, thank you so much. Mai is coming back home tomorrow. We are waiting to welcome her, and we are so blessed to have such a strong family who stands by. I mean, we stand by each other during our toughest times, and that feels great. I feel so proud of my family, my friends, my relatives, whoever have been always supporting us. When I was sick, their phone calls, blessings, wishes, means a lot. In fact, that is why I try to update my, people. That is why maybe 3 4 days earlier I wrote a post on Facebook, because I was too emotional, and I realized that I have always been writing about Ma when on a Mother's Day or maybe on her birthday, but on a normal day I've never dedicated her a post. That day I was extremely emotional, and I wrote down my feelings, and many people started messaging me. But you know what, maybe because COVID-19 is a very dreadful disease, that is why we fear of letting people know that yes, she tested positive or something like that. But people's blessings counts. That is also something. Your close people will come to know, they will pray for you. More people will pray for you, and that means a lot. So I'm sorry if I have bothered some people, maybe because they have been receiving a lot of phone calls due to this. So I'm sorry for that. But thank you so much once again for standing by us and staying with us, and for wishing us that everything will be all right. That means a lot. Keep showering your blessings. Keep texting me, because it serves as a motivation, of course, every time. Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot. Thank you.